Hey guys, in this lecture we'll be covering the size mark in Tableau. So the way the size mark works is you can change the size of these bar charts to reflect the amount of sales that have occurred in each of these different subcategories. So in order to use the size palette, all you need to do is click bring in sales, and if you were to drag it on top of the size, it will change the size depending on the sales. So since phones had the highest amount of sales, this was the biggest. This has the widest or thickest size, and you can also change the size. So you can increase the size or you can lower it. So this works great with measures. You can drag profit onto size, and from here we notice that the sales was the highest for phones as well as the profit. Something like tables, even though by dragging the profit onto size we notice that the profit was the lowest for the tables subcategory, even though it had the highest amount, had about the fifth highest sales amount. So this is a great way to showcase different measures on your chart. And on here, top right, you can see the legend. You can see that this had the range of 23,000 was the highest, and -15 profit was the lowest.